Not built for this. Ooh. Boy, does that look unsafe. That's just rubble. Some good tires though, I'll tell you what. These are some fine tires indeed. Hey everybody, welcome back to Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin, and today I have a big flashlight because we're gonna duck into some spooky ruins. Gonna explore some spooky ruins. We're towards Halloween. Last video was a cemetery explore. This video is spooky ruins. I'm walking through one of Rochester's oldest districts, the High Falls district, and I'm gonna snake my way down into the Genesee Valley and hop in this abandoned building. It's known haven for homeless and all sorts of vagabondry, but thankfully I have this big flashlight, so that's gonna be a fine weapon. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh boy. Well, that car that just passed me is going down the road to the incinerator plant, which I'm going to explore. And that road literally only leads to the incinerator plant. So looks like I'm not going to be alone going down to explore this place. This original incinerator plant was built in 1912, although the section we'll be exploring today was built in the 1940s. The original 1912 section of it was demolished about 2012, I think. Now this facility was used as an incinerator for, oh geez, not even that long, before it was sold to another company who used it to manufacture car parts, I believe, until 1990 when it was fully abandoned. So it's been sitting abandoned ever since then. And our first stop to my left here is a little I don't really even know what to call it. There's some hoppers in here. Let's go check out the hoppers and hope we're alone. Bunch of TVs over here. The train would run above there and drop things into the hoppers, which are over here. I'm going to go inside and hope that there is no one getting out of the rain. Here's the big hopper system here. Some steps leading up there. That doesn't really go anywhere. I'm not gonna check those out. Very well loved, as you can see. Very well loved. An old trunk getting dripped on something nasty in here. Well, thanks for watching Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin. No, I'm just kidding. That was That was just a room. That's not really the Explorer. That was just kind of on the way. There's a lot more down here to check out. I kind of accidentally snuck up on that vehicle that I saw drive down here. They're just parked there. I don't think it's security. I think it's just some people. I see the windows fogged up on it. Okay, I'm going to only imagine what they're doing down there. Come down, park in a very secluded spot in the city. Your windows start fogging up. I mean, there's like 3 things you could be doing. Actually, that was a totally different vehicle, because there's 2 vehicles down here. This one's driving back up. I'm just gonna casually continue to film as they pass me, because it's very obvious what we're both here to do. Didn't even wave back. What a rude idiot. You can see there's a facility blocked off over there. That's an old power station. They tore it down, but there's still security. They still don't want you over there. There's cameras. There's a truck. I don't know if anyone's in it. Probably. We'll just continue on in here. You can see some of the original cobblestone breaking through the pavement here. Back in the early 1900s when this place was first constructed. Now this area, this big fielded area right here, was part of the facility that was demolished in 2012. So I'm definitely not going over there. There's some things to step on that you don't want to step on. But yeah, here's even kind of like the edge of it. Looks like this is the edge of a road or a sidewalk or something, whatever was here. Keeping in mind that the original facility was there. And then here, where we're going, the stack was built in the 1940s. Pre-apologize for any wind sound. It's raining and my windproof mic isn't rainproof. It's only windproof. It's the only one, you only get one proof at a time, so yeah, sorry. I'm sorry, I really want to look at the size of these stumps. These are huge stumps. It's a big boy. Also, something a little weird I just noticed walking is this fake rock. Yeah, it's like something somebody would keep their house key in or something. It's just like a fake plastic rock. All right. The Genesee Brewery is right across the river here, and I can smell those hops. It smells pretty good. I'm gonna continue exploring the grounds here for a minute. Not really too much else. Obviously a spot people come to set off. Well, I thought it was setting off fireworks. I don't actually know now. Coming up on it, I assumed it was fireworks. Now it kind of just looks like somebody just destroyed something, like a painting. It almost looks like, yeah, like a painting or something that somebody just got mad at and stuck one of the things in the ground. Some good tires though, I'll tell you what. These are some fine tires indeed. And that's not a tire. Okay, I'm approaching the building. Don't know who or what I'll see. I've been here before, a few years ago. But other than that, I don't know who or what I'll see. Relatively fresh tire tracks here. It's been raining. A little taste of things to come. We'll get in there in a minute. Huh. This almost looks like it was like designed to be a nice little pond or something at one time. Let's see if I can get over there. There's like a lake between me and that, so. Yeah, interesting. I don't know, just like a little retaining pool or something at one time, I assume. You have 2 fire hydrants right there. The space back here behind the facility is clearly just a hangout spot for whoever, homeless teens. It looks like there's a lot of skating going on here. There's a ramp there, one right there, and then maybe that little retaining pool could be skated in. I don't know skating. I will say the last time I was here, a couple of years ago, there was a campfire here that I can't seem to find, and in there is a place that looks great for stealth camping that I will never go to. Unless, of course, you want to see me stealth camp there. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me stealth camp over there. Put my life in danger. All right, let's start out by getting inside this smokestack here. So this was an incinerator. They incinerated trash here. And I imagine this is where that happened. Oh yeah, definitely not crawling in any of these. Well, you know, this is gonna be so bad. We're going. Very quiet in here. Hello? Well, I'm cornered. Oh God. Not built for this. Ooh. Okay. All right. Well, this has been. Okay, here's the main building. Let's go in. I'm gonna be hearing a lot of sounds because it's raining. Start around the perimeter here. Oh boy. Somebody's bed. That's what you want to see. This is interesting. I don't know what these are. Curved pieces of wood. Maybe a part of an old archway or something. I don't know. Very cool. I mean, it's not really that cool. It's okay. It's all right. Right here out the window is the road that I walked in on. It's definitely pretty spooky in here. Really gotta watch my step, gotta watch my lungs. A lot of asbestos in here, I'm sure. It's an old coat rack, it looks like, or a coat closet rather. There's probably some shelving units, wooden shelving units that have since been taken out or rotted away. And places where people would hang their coats. Burn some garbage. An old box spring. Long time ago there was a mattress in there. I guess technically it still is. Oh, okay. And coming out the other side here, well, this bricks, just rubble. Bricks, rubble, and ruin. Gotta watch my step. Asbestos bricks. And underwear. Oh boy. How does that look without the light? Spooky. Ooh, it's a big tire. Kind of makes me have to poop. Okay, that looks like just about all that's accessible just walking through these first two thoroughfares. But if I recall correctly, if I climb up this hill right here, I can get into the second story. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna do it. Oh, looks like I found that campfire. Little campfire action. I know that life. It might be easier on the other side. This is slick and pretty steep. And I think there are stairs on the other side of the building. So I'm gonna walk over there. I was gonna camp out somewhere. This is where it would be, up here. Oh geez. Hello? Report. Yeah, I don't think this is where I'm getting up. Let's see. Hold on. There might be a. Gosh, these steps, man. Staying close to the side here. It's rotted wood. Okay. Here we go. All right, here we are. Second story. This is all wood. I really don't know how much I want to walk in here. It's right up here. Perfect stairs. Okay, well this is all, looks like concrete up there. If I just walk along the side here, those stairs, I should be good. Oh geez, that is dubious. oh geez, that is not the best feeling. Ooh, hey, look at that. Okay. Whew. I'm getting a little nervous here. I want to fall through the floor. Trying to take very light breaths, breathing lightly, light breath, breathing. Oh boy. Is that how I get over there? Ooh, this is much worse than the last time I was here. I don't think so. I'm gonna have to say a no on that. Half these planks are rotted out and missing. Probably from people stepping through them. Although it's not that big of a drop. Not 2 feet below. There's gotta be another way to get over there. But even if I do, I can see there's just a hole. Yeah. I'm walking around the outside again to see if I can get to the second story somewhere else. Any stairs on the inside are long gone. Certainly not going to climb any ladders. Hopefully we'll find something. Okay, looks like I'm going to try to scale this hill here. A lot of beer cans, trash, a ton of bricks. This wooden post. This is actually not too bad. I think I'll be able to do this. Keep in mind, I have no free hands. One hand is holding the camera, and the other is holding the flashlight. But I think we got this. Getting down, on the other hand, maybe a little more challenging. I heard keys jingling. Okay, so this is where I just was. I was just walking up here. All right, so we need to get up, keep going up here. Here we are on the second story. Ooh. It is far worse than I remember. Now technically, I could probably just hop in here, but boy does that look unsafe. That's just rubble on top of dilapidated flooring. But I think I can get in over there. Still want to watch my step. It is pavement, but I am lifted up. I'm higher than the ground. I'm on the second story here. So this road would, I assume, dump things off here and then leave this way. All sorts of old signs of infrastructure, posts, maybe possibly old street lights. Nature reclaims. Yeah, I don't know about those steps. I know there's a little bit more to explore on the other side of these steps. Not too much more, maybe a room or two. But I just don't want to step on crumbling concrete that's about 2 foot wide. So I'll look around this place a little more. Spooky haunted ghosts. I'd like to keep exploring that part of the building, but that's just asking to fall through the floor. Heard something running through the leaves over there. I'm still kind of on concrete a little bit. Yeah, I guess I said I wasn't coming up here, but I've kind of accidentally ended up where that original building was that was torn down in 2012 and built in 1912. So I guess I'm just breaking all the rules. Well, that was certainly a pretty creepy, small bit of small plot of land. Certainly won't be camping here, but I wanted to explore it. I wanted to get it on camera, show you guys for the spooky season of Halloween. This is actually the last episode of Small Plots to come out before Halloween. Speaking of which, look out for the next episode of Small Plots. Did a collaboration with Camping with Sam Bananas. We did a 2-day urban backpacking stealth camping trip through the city of Rochester here. It's great. We walk through some bad neighborhoods. We camp in some sketchy woods. We see some things, and overall it was just a super great blast. But thanks for watching Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Don't forget, new episodes of Small Plots every Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. EST. We'll do explorers like this. We'll do stealth camping. We'll do regular camping. We'll do, I don't know, you know, maybe I'll dig a hole. That's a video. Dig a hole for a video. How about that? I won't be doing that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the dilapidated rubbly nexty. See ya!